Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It has been long since we actually made a forex robot, so today we are going to create a simple forex robot. It's actually based on a popular indicator or popular indicators with the awesome oscillator as well as the popular exponential moving average. So this is the strategy. Basically, we're going to have the awesome oscillator as well as the exponential moving average there, and the chart setup. So the indicators that we need is actually a 200 exponential moving average as well as an awesome oscillator with default settings. That's what they are saying here. Then it needs to trade time frames, preferred time frames. Preferred means basically you do what you want. You can try it out on the 30-minute or the 15-minute, or you can try it out on the 1-minute, 5-minute. It's up to you, but they would rather you trade with this strategy on the 1-hour time frame and above. Trading sessions is basically any trading sessions, which is good. Sometimes you get strategies that only work when it's actually the European session or the London session or the Asian session, but in any case they say any session. And currency pair, apparently any currency pair, so it's probably a very good trading strategy. Now here they've got a download link for the awesome oscillator and the EMA if you want to download the indicators, but in any case we don't need to download because everything will be provided for us in the EA builder that we use, which is Fxdreema. So here they've got a daily chart, Euro USD daily chart. Okay, so let's just look at the rules. That's what's important, the trading rules. So the buy rules, price basically needs to be above the 200 moving exponential moving average. Price must be above that, and basically established a buy trend. That's what they're saying. And the awesome oscillator needs to be back above 0.00 from below and green bar. So price needs to be above this zero line. So if it goes above and our price is above 200 EMA, we are in a buy, guys. That's basically what the strategy is saying. Conversely, if price goes below this 200 moving average and price also drops below this zero line, the awesome oscillator line, then we start looking for sales. And the rules for closing the trades is basically we're targeting 1:1 or 1:2. That's all that we are targeting. So, and the stop loss, they say it's about 5 pips below the previous swing. I will leave it up to you to decide on the stop loss, but basically what's important is whatever stop loss that you choose, we are basically targeting a 1:1 or 1:2. So it's basically in and out. We are not interested in trying to hold this thing until kingdom comes. So you are probably going to enter a buy somewhere here, maybe let's say your stop loss somewhere around here, and around here you're out. We don't care about it moving all this way and stuff. We don't care about that. We're just going to aim for 1:1, 1:2. Okay, so that's basically it. It's a straightforward strategy if you ask me. So let's go to our favorite EA builder. Is for free. It's Fxdreema. We've done a lot of videos on this channel. If you have any questions, keep them coming. I will try my best to answer all your questions. Just as sometimes people ask the things that I have already answered on this channel, and sometimes also I'm trying to juggle YouTube as well as my own trading, my own businesses on the side and stuff. So if you're asking a new question that I have not done or answered previously, then just be patient. But otherwise, most of the stuff that I've seen sometimes people asking is already covered on the channel. And sometimes people ask me, why are you not giving us profitable trading systems or robots? Guys, the purpose of this channel is not me finding you profitable strategies. The purpose of these videos is to just show you the direction that you need to take. If you have a strategy that you have already that is making you money and you are wondering, can I automate this strategy? So I'm here to just point you the direction that you might want to take in order to automate your own trading strategy. I'm not here to find you profitable strategies or profitable robots. For all those other things, well, there are links in the description box below if you're interested in that. Otherwise, let's go back to our video. So what we're going to do first is we are going to check for trades. Usually we start with no trade because we want our robot to just check that it has got no trades are running, and we are using the on tick section. As the ticks are coming in, that's how we are going to be doing this. And we want the robot to check that it doesn't have any trades currently open, so that it doesn't open 1,000 trades on our account and we end up blowing our account. Then I also add time filters. I want the robot to check for these signals once per bar, the conditions that we're going to state. Some people do it like I do. Some people actually use once per bar after placing the conditions. So we are going to go to the condition. The first condition, this is for a buy. This is for a buy. We said for the buys, the first condition, we need price to be above the 200 moving average. So let's just go in there. We are going to use candles. We want the candles to be above. So I'm going to use candles. You can try to use other values, but I'm going to use candles. I need the candles to be above the 200. Here it says above the 200 moving average, which is basically, we are going to add 200 there. Method, we are going to say exponential, and we are going to use closing price. Candle ID, I'm going to use 1. I'm going to use the previously closed candle. It needs to be above the 200 moving average. Then we are going to update. Second condition, the second condition for our buy is that the awesome oscillator needs to be above the zero line there, or needs to just cross it. So we just link like that, and we are going to look for awesome oscillator. That's the awesome oscillator. We can use above, or we can use crosses above. The moment it crosses above the zero line, we are going to use value. If I'm speaking too fast, please rewind the video. I'm trying to not make these videos too long, because you guys don't like to watch very long videos. And we update. Then that's basically our conditions for a buy. And we said we are going to aim for a 1:1 or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So when we add our buy button, there is our buy button, and we're going to double click and just go in there. Some brokers, the minimum lot size is 0.1. For some it's 0.01. You decide what's the minimum lot size is with your broker. You can always tick that, so that you don't always have to come back to Fxdreema. If you want to change anything, you can do that in MetaTrader 4. because we're on MetaTrader 4. Then stop loss, maybe we just use the textbook, 30 pips. Let's just tick that. Then 1:1, then it will mean that our take profit is 30, or we can make it 1:2, which is 60 pips. That will be our take profit, and we are going to update. That's basically conditions for a buy, and for conditions for a sell, we can just actually copy this. We don't have to do everything from scratch, and we are going to link it like that and like so, and we're just going to double click and do the opposite. So when candle is below our moving average and our awesome oscillator breaks below, crosses below our zero line, update, we are going to sell. Okay, and we double click and we just set it to 30 and 60 again, and we just do that. What did we say lot size was here? I can't remember. Maybe we set it at 0.01. I try to use the bare minimum lot sizes when I'm trading with robots, because these things can be dangerous as well if they are caught on the wrong side of the market. That's that. Basically, we have our robot. You can also use your trailing stops. Basically, the previous video I showed you how to add trailing stops to your forex robots. Just watch that videos. I've given you several options of adding trailing stops to your robot. So yeah, I'm not going to just do that in this video. So now that has been set, that's basically this. That's how you do that. Time frame, I forgot to set time frame. Basically, let's just go in there. Where is my time frame? Not here, sorry. Where is my time frame? I'm a bit rusty now. Yes. So in terms of time frame, they said 1 hour and above. If you are interested in setting time frame, here we had left it at current time frame. You can simply go in there and just say 1 hour. So these conditions are going to play out on the 1 hour. Current time frame, 1 hour, or whatever time frame that you specifically want the robot to trade. 1 hour, or you can leave it at current, because it doesn't really change anything. If you want to trade the 1 hour, if you leave it at current, it's just going to trade the 1 hour or the 30-minute or whatever. But if you really want to be like detailed and everything, then you can change the time frames like that. So that's basically how you do that. And you can basically here say awesome EMA robot, or you can give it a fancy name that you came across or you came up with. And yeah, that's basically how we turn this strategy into a forex robot. And you click done, and basically download the source code and the executable file. You are good to go. I've done previous video on this channel showing you how to use MQ4 and MQ5 files with your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So yeah, that's it with this video. Otherwise guys, watch the previous videos, everything will make sense. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.